Hi everyone, welcome back to Tejas Education and Learning. Today we are going to start with your new chapter, that is bills, that is from your 10th chapter, module 3. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. So let's begin and explore more about bills. The doorbell rings. On opening the door, Rahul saw a man carrying a bag. He keeps the bag on the floor and gives a paper to his mother. Rahul's mother opens a small paper and looks into it. The sheet of paper is a grocery bill. When we buy things from the shopkeeper, he writes the details of a purchase on a piece of paper. This piece of paper is called a bill. It contains many information like name of the store shop, address of the store shop, bill number, date on which the goods were purchased, name of the customer, serial number, name of the item purchased, quantity of the item purchased, price per unit of each item. Under the rate column, in the amount column, the cost of various items are written. The total cost is written towards the end in the amount column. A shopkeeper always puts his signature on the bill. After checking the bill amount and the food items, Mrs. Sharma, Rahul's mother, gives the bill amount to the salesman. Later in the evening, Rahul and his mother went to a book fair. In the book fair, Rahul picked up a few books on the people who inspire us. He picked the following books: Great Expectations by Charles Dickens, The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond, Oliver Twist by Charles Dickens, A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. He bought some books for his cousin Sonu also. When he went to the cash counter, the person checked the price of each book and entered them in the computer. After a while, he handed over the books to Rahul along with the bill. Let us look at this bill too. All bills are not same. The entries made in various bills depends on the requirements of the shop. In our daily lives, we get many types of bills like telephone bill, electricity bill, water bill, etc. Kids, it's your turn now. Prepare a bill and find the total cost. Solution. On returning home, Rahul's mother kept the bills in a very safe place. Do you know why? A bill is a proof of sale. The shopkeeper charges some extra money from us in the form of tax. If the shopkeeper gives us the bill, then he has to deposit the extra money charged as tax to the government. For products like car, electronic items, etc., bill is necessary to prove the claim. Let's have a small recap of what we learnt in today's session. When we purchase things from the shopkeeper, he writes the details of our purchase on a piece of paper. This piece of paper is known as a bill. A bill usually contains the following: the shop's name and the address, the date and the bill number, the details and quantity of the items purchased, price per unit of each item under the rate column. Cost of each item according to the quantity purchased. A total cost of all items. The signature of the shopkeeper towards the end. Thank you all. A presentation by Tejas Education and Learning. If you all like this video very much, then please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends who you know who are studying in 5th standard. And for more videos, you have to subscribe to the channel. Let's spread the joy of education.